Hi everybody. Another beautiful gray morning here in Encinitas. I love it. And so we came to the California again to talk about one of my favorite native flowers, sometimes called the fried egg poppy because it is a true poppy. Papaveraceae is the family that this, as well as other poppies like oriental poppies, come from. This is also known as Matalia Poppy, and the botanical name is 𝘰𝘮𝘯𝘕𝘮𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑎. There's two species. 𝘤𝘰𝘮𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑎 is the more common one, but there are some hybrids out there. And so this is not only such a gorgeous flower with these kind of big crepe paper-like white petals and the yellow center, hence the fried egg poppy name. This is the biggest single flower that's native to California. And they're native not only to California in general, which is just a huge state, but San Diego specifically. So we've been seeing these out in the wild doing conservation work. And one of the things that I've learned about this species, this fried egg poppy, is that not only are they beautiful, they're incredibly hardy garden plants. They can tolerate cold temperatures, they can tolerate drought, they barely need anything from us in terms of fertilizer or pest maintenance. And this time of the year, they just send big flowers sky high, right in your face. So you get to enjoy these huge single flower poppies. It's one of the best garden native plants if you put it in the right spot. So one of the things that I'd like to highlight for all of you prospective native gardeners out there is that this plant is so tenacious and so vigorous that it can actually be mildly aggressive in your garden. It actually will displace some other plants, overtake some garden beds. So here's my advice with the fried egg poppy. It's such a beautiful flower that it's definitely worth growing. Give it a garden area that has some containment. So if you have a small garden bed that's surrounded by hardscape, for instance, that is the perfect space for this plant. If you have an area next to a walkway or a driveway where nothing else will grow, everything you put there dies, put some of this in there. I promise you, you're gonna be in for a big treat when these come out summer season. And the reason that this plant can spread so tenaciously to become problematic is that it actually spreads underground. That's why, similar to our bamboo garden, you'll see us putting this plant into containable spaces that we can essentially just give to these poppies and not have to worry about them subsuming other plants around them.